Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We'll continue. I think we have few numbers of questions. Let me finish them. So I finish this section. This is easy one. I have sine is odd. That's it. I need one to be odd power. That will be cosine square, sine square, sine x dx. Okay. So I need to change this into cosine. So that will be cosine square 1 minus cosine square x. Then this is sine x dx. I will let u to be cosine x. Du will be minus sine x dx. So I have what? I need a minus and a minus here. So I have minus u squared, 1 minus u squared du. And this is u to the power 4 minus u squared du, which is 1 over 5, u to the power 5 minus 1 over 3 u cubed. Let's see, I retain the u, which is cosine cubed x. X I'm using s, minus 1 over 3 cosine cubed x. What is this? Is 5 to the power 5, 1 over 5. Let's see, what is this one? Yeah, just here wrote it in different way. Secant, cosecant. Secant times cosecant. This is what? This is, you said if you don't have way to do it, then just change everything to sine cosine. Let us do this. So I have 1 over cosine theta, 1 over sine theta d theta. That give me what? 1 over, this I can write it as half times 2 cosine theta sine theta. Yeah, I can use this trick. So that will be 2. This is integral. This half will go up as 2. This is 2 over sine 2 theta d theta, which is what? 2 cosecant 2 theta d theta. I know what's the integral of cosecant? What's the integral of cosecant? I have 2. So let's, to be exact, u equal 2 theta. Du will be 2 d theta. So I have this integral of cosecant u du. And I know this, it will be then the difference. Cosecant u minus cotan u plus c. Well, I can write it then. What is u? Is 2 theta. Cosecant 2 theta minus cotan 2 theta plus c. Which is this one or this one? It's the same. Cosecant to the power 6, cotan to the power 3. And you want the answer of cosecant. So I will deal with cotan now. Yeah, cotan is odd. As I said, we can do it with what we are doing with secant and tan. We can do it cotan or cosecant and cotan. Okay, so you can do it in the other way, but I look at the answer. I want to see the same answer. Cosecant to the power 6 2x, because this is even. So also you can do it the other way. You need through cosecant, not through cotan. So I have cotan square. I need to take cosecant and cotan. So this will be cosecant to the power 5. Yeah. You know what? Let me get rid of these 2. So since it's a indefinite, that will be easy. Du equal 2 dx. So I need half. That will be half integral cosecant to the power 6 u cotan to the power 3 ud. So that just to make it easier. Okay. Now this one, I will take 1 cosecant from here. and 1 cotan from here. And I have cosecant cotan u du. So this will be the derivative of cosecant with a minus sign. So cotan square, let's change it into cosecant. I have what? Half integral cosecant to the power 5u. What is cotan square? This will be cosecant square minus 1. I know 1 plus tan square, 1 plus cotan square equal cosecant square. So cotan square is equal cosecant square u minus 1 cosecant u cotan u du. Now I let u to be cosecant u, cosecant the w. So dw will be minus cosecant u cotan u du. I need to be careful with this minus sign. So I put the minus here and the minus outside. So I have minus half of what? U to the power 5 u square minus 1 du. Okay. Yeah. So I have minus half u to the power 7 minus u to the power 5 du. That will be minus half. This is u to the power 8 over 8 minus u to the power 6 over 6, all times half. Let's see. So I have minus 1 over 16. What is u? Cosecant to the power 8x minus 1 over 12 minus, that will be plus cosecant to the power 6x plus c. And u, it's not x, it's u. And what is u? U is 2x. So that will be minus 1 over 16 cosecant to the power 8 of 2x. Cosecant to the power 6 of 2x plus c, which is this one. Okay. Sine to the power x cosine to x. We know that will be half integral. Yeah, sine cosine. That will be sine the difference, which is x, plus sine the sum, 5x dx. That give me half minus cosine x minus 1 over 5 cosine 5x. That give me minus half cosine x. Don't forget plus 3 minus 1 over 10 cosine 5x plus c, which is this one. T to the power 3, secant to the power 4, tan to the power 4. Okay, okay. Yeah, let u equal t to the power 4. This is the answer, by the way. So du will be 4 t cube dt. Okay, so I need 4 here and 1 over 4 outside. So that will be 1 over 4 integral of what? 0 to pi over 4. T to the power 4 will kill this one, will kill the 4th row. And they have what? Secant to the power 4, tan to the power 4 of u. Since they take ut to the power 4, and that will be du. Plus, now it's ready. I take, since secant is even, I take one secant square out. That will be secant square u tan to the power 4u secant square u du. That will be my du. But I need to change this secant square into tan. That will be what? 1 plus tan square u tan to the power 4u secant square u du. I let w now. Tan u dw will be secant square u du. That gives me 1 over 4, 0 to 1 of what? Of u to the power 1 plus u square. This will be du. So it's 1 plus u square u to the power 4 du. And that will be what? 1 over 4, don't forget 1 over 4. I have u to the power 5 over 5 plus what? U to the power 7 over 7 from 0 to 1. That will be 1 over 4, 1 over 5 plus 1 over 7. That give me 1 over 4. 12 over 35 times 1 over 4, that will be 3 over 35, which is this number. Okay, 8 cosine to the power 4. Remember, if you have double angle, if you have even power, then you need to go to double angle. So this will be 8 half plus half. That will be cosine square t all square, all square. So this is half plus half double angle all square dt. Now I need to do the calculation. That will be 8, take 8 outside. That will be 1 over 4. Half 1 over 4 times 2, that will be half cosine 2 theta, 2t, which is easy to do. Then I have plus 1 over 4 cosine square 2t. Okay, dt. Now I need to get rid of this. Do the same thing. So that will be 8. Let me do the 8 at the end. Plus half cosine 2t plus 1 over 4. This is again half plus half cosine 40. Don't forget, this should be 4. And this is what? I have 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. That will be 3 over 8. Okay. Yeah, that explains the 8. And I have plus half cosine 2t plus 1 over 8 cosine 40 dt. That give me what? 3 over 8. No, times 8. Don't forget the 8, which is outside. Now multiply the 8 and take the integral. This will be 3, so that will be 3t. This one will be what? 4. And what's the integral of this? Half sine 2t. This one plus 1 over 4 sine 40. This will be 1, 8 times 1 over 8 plus c. And that will be the answer. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I have just few numbers, then let us do it. Secant to the power 4, 1 minus tan square. I have secant even, so I work it out. That will be what? Secant square x, 1 minus tan square x, secant square x dx. I change this into tan. That will be 1 plus tan square times 1 minus tan square, secant square x dx. So I let u to be tan x, du will be secant square dx. That's it. So I have what? 1 minus u square, 1 plus u square times 1 minus u square du, which is 1 minus u to the power 4. 1 minus u to the power 4 du. Actually, I can figure it out from here. It's okay. That will be u minus u to the power 5 over 5 plus c. That give me what? Tan x minus 1 over 5 tan to the power 5x plus c, which is this one. Tan to the power cube cosine to the power 5. It's tan to the power cube. I don't have secant. What to do? I change this into sine and cosine. That will be sine cubed x over cosine cubed x cosine to the 5. That will be what? Sine cubed x cosine square x dx. Now it's ready. I'll do this trick. This is odd power. I take it out. So you have sine square x, take one cosine out, one sine out. Okay. I change this into cosine. That will be 1 minus cosine square sine x dx. Yeah, I let u equal cosine x. Du will be minus sine x dx. So I need a minus sign here. And then I need a minus sign here. Okay. Let me give it a space here. So I have minus 1 minus u squared times u squared du, which is u to the power 4, so that gives me u to the power 5 over 5 minus u squared minus u cubed over 3 plus c. That will be 1 over 5 cosine to the power 5x minus 1 over 3 cosine to the power 3x plus c, which is this one. I think I have 2 to go. No, I have space here. Okay. Sinh. The same idea. The same idea with the power. I need the odd power. So that will be sinh square x cosine hyperbolic square x cosine hyperbolic x dx. This will be my du. So I need this to be changed into sine hyperbolic. I know cosine hyperbolic, just to remind you about the formulas, minus sine hyperbolic is equal to 1. So cosine hyperbolic will be 1 plus sine hyperbolic. So that will be sine hyperbolic square times 1 plus sine hyperbolic square cosine hyperbolic x dx. Now I let u to be sine hyperbolic x. No need for yeah, that will. I don't have a minus sign in both, so it will be okay. So that give me what? U square 1 plus u square du. That give me u cubed over 3 u to the power 4, so that will u to the power 5. U to the power 5 over 5 plus c. That give me what? Sine hyperbolic cube x over 3 plus sine hyperbolic over 5x over 5 plus c. That will answer it. I know I have space here. Okay. Now I let u equal e to the power x. Du will be what? E to the power x dx. So everything is ready. I have what? This will be du. So you have secant to the power 4 u tan to the power 3 u du, which is easy to do. I can take 1 secant from here. So I have, yeah, secant square. I take out of here. So I have secant square u tan cube u secant square u du. So this is my du, and I do the things in terms of tan. So that will be what? I need to change this into tan. I know 1 plus tan square u times tan cubed u secant square u du. So I let w now. I chose u. I did u before. It will be tan u. dw will be secant square u du. Now change everything in terms of w. That will be 1 plus w square w cubed. Okay, du. So I have w cubed, which is w to the power 4 over 4, plus w to the power 5. That will be w to the power 6 over 6 plus c. That give me what? That give me 1 over 4 tan to the power 4 u plus 1 over 6 tan to the power 6 u plus c. But what is u? It's e to the power x. So that that will be 1 over 4 tan to the power 4 ax plus 1 over 6 tan to the power 6 ax plus c. Yeah, I think I will stop here. That will finish 8.3. Yeah, this video is too short, but just to finish what we did. So let me stop the recording. Thank you.